2025 GasGas Factory Edition's first look, 13 Fast Facts. GasGas has unveiled its 2025 Factory Editions, offering a refined blend of performance, technology, and style for motocross enthusiasts. With two models, MC250F and MC450F, the Factory Editions aim to provide riders with race-ready features and cutting-edge upgrades straight from the GasGas Factory Racing Team. Here are 13 fast facts about these highly anticipated bikes. 1. Bold Rockstar Energy Livery. The 2025 GasGas Factory Editions feature a striking new design inspired by the Rockstar Energy GasGas Factory Racing Team. The bold red bodywork with black anodized rims and CNC machined hubs gives these bikes a premium, race-inspired look. 2. FMF Factory 4.1 RCT Exhaust. Equipped with an FMF Factory 4.1 RCT silencer featuring a titanium body and carbon fiber end cap, these models not only look sharp but also enhance power delivery and reduce weight for improved performance. 3. Brembo Braking System. Both the MC250F and MC450F are fitted with a Brembo braking system, offering riders reliable and powerful braking performance, essential for aggressive riding and quick turns on the track. 4. Factory Racing Wheel Set. The bikes come with high-quality factory racing wheel sets, featuring black anodized CNC machined hubs and black Excel rims. This combination delivers excellent durability while maintaining a sleek, professional look. 5. Connectivity Unit with GasGas Plus app. The GasGas Plus app integrates seamlessly with the factory bikes, offering riders access to advanced features like engine mapping adjustments, suspension recommendations, and track analysis via a connectivity unit and GPS sensor. 6. Map Select Switch. The handlebar-mounted map select switch allows riders to easily toggle between mellow and aggressive engine maps, while also enabling features like traction control, quickshifter, and launch control, perfect for adapting to various riding conditions. 7. WP Factory Start Device. A WP Factory Start device helps riders achieve optimal starts by offering a stable and controlled launch, which is crucial in competitive racing environments. 8. Semi-Floating Front Brake Disc. A semi-floating front brake disc enhances braking performance, providing better heat dissipation and more consistent stopping power, whether in tight corners or high-speed straights. 9. Protective Factory Skid Plate and Brake Disc Guard. The factory editions come equipped with a robust skid plate and brake disc guard, offering protection to the engine and brake system when navigating rough or rocky terrain. 10. Pro Taper Handlebars and ODI Grips. The bikes come with black anodized Pro Taper handlebars that offer a custom bend for comfort and control, paired with soft gray ODI grips to reduce rider fatigue during long, intense rides. 11. Golden Chain and Black Rear Sprocket. To enhance the bike's visual appeal and durability, GasGas has fitted both models with a gold-colored chain and black rear sprocket, ensuring a stylish look and strong performance. 12. Justin Barcia No. 51 Decals. As a tribute to the brand's close collaboration with pro rider Justin Barcia, the MC450F Factory Edition features Barcia's signature No. 51 decals, further emphasizing the bike's racing pedigree. 13. Pricing and Availability. The 2025 GasGas MC250F Factory Edition is priced at $11,499, while the MC450F Factory Edition comes in at $12,599. Both models are expected to hit dealerships in early 2025, bringing factory-level performance to enthusiasts. With these impressive upgrades, the 2025 GasGas Factory Editions stand out as top-tier motocross bikes, delivering exceptional performance, cutting-edge features, and a truly race-ready design for riders who demand the best.